I'm working with cobalt chrome stents that are used in transaortic valve replacement for one of our customers. It's made of a particularly difficult metal or alloy to work with, cobalt chrome, and that's why we've been trying to improve this product of ours, CoCr Cleaner. So this stent has been sitting in this product for a while. I'm ready to take it out and rinse briefly. And then rinse in the ultrasonic cleaner for a longer time, about 5 minutes. After which I will take it out, air dry it, and move to a microscope for evaluation.